The narrative of Jesus' life centers on his teachings and miracles, which boldly challenged the religious conventions of his era and inspired numerous followers. His influence on society proved to be both profound and enduring. The empty tomb, along with Jesus' subsequent appearances to his disciples, solidified their faith, motivating them to disseminate his teachings. This pivotal event heralded the emergence of Christianity as a significant global movement. Mary Magdalene's encounter with the resurrected Christ stands as a powerful affirmation of the resurrection, igniting the apostles' belief in Jesus' divine essence. Her involvement highlights the critical role of women within the early church. Palm Sunday commemorates Jesus' triumphant entry into Jerusalem, where jubilant crowds celebrated by laying down palm branches, symbols of victory and peace. This momentous event sets the stage for the events of Holy Week. Good Friday functions as a solemn day of reflection on Jesus' crucifixion, underscoring the profound sacrifice he made for the sins of humanity. Special church services emphasize the significance of the cross during this contemplative time. Easter Sunday, also referred to as Resurrection Sunday, celebrates Jesus' triumph over death, characterized by joyous worship, uplifting hymns, and family reunions. This day symbolizes hope and the promise of new life. Various cultures observe Easter through distinctive traditions, such as reenacting biblical narratives and indulging in culinary specialties. These practices reflect the diverse expressions of faith found around the world. The resurrection of Jesus serves as a transformative reminder that obstacles can be surmounted. It encourages individuals to embrace forgiveness and pursue a renewed life filled with hope. Easter transcends being a mere one-day celebration. It represents an ongoing call to action. It inspires individuals to spread love, hope, and the message of new beginnings to the world.